Tonight is a bad night to be a salamander. People have been known to do that, actually.
Yeah.
I found salamander eggs. This is what it's all about, folks. All right, we're out here in the middle of the woods. We got Blaze and Donald with us, and we're gonna go show you how to hunt, find some salamanders, and maybe some raccoons and some snakes while we're at it too. Prime salamander hunting environment right now. So we really like these birch trees because they're light and they're easy to pick up. And then when we pick them up, usually we can find a few salamanders under them. But actually we picked this one up last night.
How do you know he didn't come back?
What's that?
How do you know he didn't come back?
Because, well, that's a good point, actually. Like embedded in the dirt, and they start to decompose. We found eggs last night. We found like salamander habitats where it's like half wood, half dirt.
What kind of mushroom is that, Zach?
No idea.
Jesus.
Is it poisonous?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
There's only one way to know.
Yeah, there's...
I just made that name up.
From Dylan Miller.
Oh, shoot.
What is that, man?
It's probably a deer.
It's pretty big.
My guess, somebody slaughtered a pig on the island and threw the carcass up here.
People have been known to do that, actually.
Yeah.
So where we've had the best luck is where the logs are, half of it's already decomposed in the dirt and the other half is still actual wood. But those are the logs that we've been finding them under. Keep using the cigar like it's a flashlight.
You got one? Yep. Blaze has one, Zach.
All right, let's go see what Blaze has got. It's so cool. So, just, you see the log right here? See how half of it's decomposed and moist? That's exactly what we're looking for. This is what it's all about, folks. This is... Another one?
Grab his tail.
Another two.
Another one.
So these are, they're in moist logs that are halfway decomposed. Yoink.
Oh.
Yep.
It's going in.
Easy.
Ah, got one.
Wow, that one's
Quick. Girl.
that one's tiny.
We should have brought a cup so we could just start collecting them all.
Last night, didn't we?
What's that?
Didn't we find like a grayish bluish one last night?
Did we?
We did. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna have to find another grayish for this one, I guess. Hey. I found salamander eggs.
Oh, there's a salamander right here.
Zach.
Where'd he go? Pull up the leaves. He's gonna burrow down into leaves. Just start ripping up leaves.
Salamander would be like, you gotta be quicker than that.
Yeah, dude.
Did you see it? I did.
I didn't see it, but it might be on the video.
If you were recording, then yeah.
Well, those are his eggs. Or her eggs, I said.
Here it is.
Found him?
Whoa. That's the one.
Dude, that's the one we found last night.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a tail.
Poor guy.
Dude, he's sick of being caught,
I'll
man.
put him back.
Do they make salamanders in Florida?
Do they make them? I don't even know what kind of question that is.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh,
Earthworm.
False alarm.
salamander eggs.
They're near. Tear it up, boys. You see those eggs, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're not very good at laying their eggs in convenient places.
I guess not.
They're laying them right where we're looking.
Yeah, they probably haven't had this problem before.
Oh, look at this one. It's not a salamander, but... Or is it?
Oh, that is a centipede, I think.
Oh, yeah, it's a centipede.
I think it's
It's a
weird.
reverse salamander. It's got the black stripe and the orange body. The moisture content in this log is perfect. Prove it.
Oh, 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 oh. Nice one.
Blaze has the eye for it, man.
He does.
Oh, this is
This is
very
where the-
moist.
Wait.
Oh, if I were a salamander, this would be so perfect. The exact in this salamander paradise.
Look at this.
Oh,
You can't tell me a salamander wouldn't like this.
oh, a big one.
Dang. New color. New skin unlocked.
Oh, this is a beauty.
Oh, that's perfect, dude.
That one's big.
Yeah, that one's pretty sweet, man.
We might as well just rip up the rest of this tree while we're at it.
Yeah.
This got to be the biggest one we found.
Yeah, probably.
All right, let's take care of this tree and then we'll head back. I'll eat it raw. Yeah, I don't really need money to eat it raw. I'll just eat it raw.
You can't post it on YouTube, though.
Can I not?
I feel like you can't.
Do you think you shouldn't?
What's that?
Morally, do you think you shouldn't?
Morally, I shouldn't put it on YouTube. We'll let them live. Videos about catching salamanders. Next one will be about eating them.
Gittering. Oh. Oh. What do you think this is?
There's one. Dude, that one's...
Good eye. Not so good hands.
That one's pretty cool.
Yeah. That was not a smart move, Mr. Sally.
Did he just walk out in the open?
All right, well, I would say tonight's been a great night for catching salamanders. So yeah, if you want to get a salamander, go for moist logs that are decomposed.
Birch works perfect.
Yeah, this was great.